Introduction. Hello.
Hello.
Hi. How are you?
Hi, how are you?
I am fine, thank you.
I am fine, thank you.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Today, I will talk about myself.
Today, I will talk about myself.
I will say one sentence.
I will say one sentence.
You will repeat after me.
You will repeat after me.
Let's start.
Let's start.
Part 2. Name and basic identity. My name is Amrin.
My name is Amrin.
What is your name?
What is your name?
My name is Alex.
My name is Alex.
I have a simple name.
I have a simple name.
People call me Alex.
People call me Alex.
I like my name.
I like my name.
My name is easy to say.
My name is easy to say.
Part 3. Age. I am an adult.
I am an adult.
I am in my 20s.
I am in my 20s.
I am still young.
I am still young.
I feel active and strong.
I feel active and strong.
Age is just a number.
Age is just a number.
Part 4. Country and city. I am from my country.
I am from my country.
I live in a city.
I live in a city.
My city is busy.
My city is busy.
My city is beautiful.
My city is beautiful.
I like living here.
I like living here.
This is my home.
This is my home.
Part 5. Family. I have a family.
I have a family.
My family is important to me.
My family is important to me.
I love my family.
I love my family.
My family supports me.
My family supports me.
We spend time together.
We spend time together.
Part 6. Job or study. I am a student.
I am a student.
I study every day.
I study every day.
I am learning English.
I am learning English.
English is important for me.
English is important for me.
I practice speaking English.
I practice speaking English.
I want to speak confidently.
I want to speak confidently.
Part 7. Daily routine. I wake up early.
I wake up early.
I brush my teeth.
I brush my teeth.
I wash my face.
I wash my face.
I eat breakfast.
I eat breakfast.
I start my day with energy.
I start my day with energy.
Part 8. Hobbies and free time. I have hobbies.
I have hobbies.
I like reading.
I like reading.
I like listening to music.
I like listening to music.
I enjoy learning new things.
I enjoy learning new things.
I use my free time well.
I use my free time well.
Part 9. Likes. I like simple food.
I like simple food.
I like tea and coffee.
I like tea and coffee.
I like quiet places.
I like quiet places.
I like positive people.
I like positive people.
Part 10. Dislikes. I do not like noise.
I do not like noise.
I do not like stress.
I do not like stress.
I do not like being late.
I do not like being late.
I like peace and calm.
I like peace and calm.
Part 11. Personality. I am friendly.
I am friendly.
I am polite.
I am polite.
I am hardworking.
I am hardworking.
I try my best every day.
I try my best every day.
I believe in myself.
I believe in myself.
Part 12. Goals and dreams. I have dreams.
I have dreams.
I want to improve my English.
I want to improve my English.
I want a good future.
I want a good future.
I work hard for my goals.
I work hard for my goals.
I never give up.
I never give up.
Part 14. Talking about today. Today is a good day.
Today is a good day.
I feel happy today.
I feel happy today.
I am practicing English today.
I am practicing English today.
Practice makes me better.
Practice makes me better.
Part 15. Confidence practice. I can speak English.
I can speak English.
I am not afraid to speak.
I am not afraid to speak.
Making mistakes is okay.
Making mistakes is okay.
I learn from my mistakes.
I learn from my mistakes.
Part 15. Ending. Full self-introduction. Let me introduce myself.
Let me introduce myself.
My name is Alex.
My name is Alex.
I am learning English.
I am learning English.
I like learning and improving myself.
I like learning and improving myself.
Thank you for listening.
Thank you for listening.
Nice to meet you again.
Nice to meet you again.
Thank you for watching. We hope you enjoyed practicing English with us today.
Remember, speak slowly. Don't worry about mistakes. And practice every day.
Subscribe to our channel for more easy English conversations.
See you in the next video. Bye.